is up, my YouTube fam? I'm gonna show you guys how to take pixel art NFT or any pixel art pretty much and up-res it to a print quality file using a free program which you could download. The program download link will be in the description below. It's not in there right now because I gotta update it, but I'm gonna show you step by step how to get the program and then of course convert the image to a high res image while maintaining the pixel art quality and the hard edges of the image. So first things first, we got to download GIMP. So just in Google, just type GIMP. GIMP download comes up right away, right? First thing, download GIMP. Can't mess it up. Download GIMP 2.10.28. That's the version they're up to now. Just go ahead and download it. It's going to take a few minutes. All right, looks like we finished the download. So let's open up the program. Again, this program is free to use. So download it, use it, mess around with it. It's pretty good for image manipulation, especially for free. I mean, you can't go wrong for free. If it's free, you already know how the saying goes. It's for me. All right, so let's open up the file. It's a little bit different here than in Photoshop, but I'll explain that after we get it done here. It's in the desktop. There we go. Open it up. Okay, so we're gonna go to image, scale image. We're gonna change interpolation to none. So 0 interpolation, so that way there's no blurriness and no feathering on the edges, and the edges remain, you know, pixel perfect. You want to change the resolution to 300. All right, and then I like to change it into inches just because it's easier for me to understand than pixels, you know. So I change it to inches, and then I choose how many inches wide I want it to be and how many inches tall I want it to be. So 20 by 20, it's a square image. So you put 20 here, since they're linked, it'll automatically make the height 20 as well. Now you can mess around with it, unlink it. I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend to scale it first. Hit yes to scale it. I'll just go to the eyeglass tool or magnifying glass, and I don't even know why I called it eyeglass. I'm a magnifying glass. But yeah, zoom out. And then again, you can crop the image to whatever size you want it to be that works for the print size that you're going for. And make it rectangular if you need it to be less wide than it is tall. But that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. It's pretty simple, free program. Can't go wrong. You could do this with any pixel art you have, any pixel NFT that you want to print, that you want to, you know, make huge, especially if, let's say, the NFT you got gives you the commercial rights and it's a pixelated NFT and you want to make it larger and you want to change uh, the image size, this is how you do it. And special shout out to Dormant Dragons and my boy in the Discord that requested this and wanted a brief tutorial on how to, you know, size up the image for print so he can hang it up on his wall. Hopefully this helps you out, my brother. But that's pretty much it. I did want to make a brief point to touch on, if you were doing it in Photoshop, under interpolation, it would be under, you know, cubic or bicubic. In Photoshop, you would put it under nearest neighbor, it's called, and you'll see in parentheses it'll say keep hard edges, which is what you want with pixel art. You want to keep the hard edges, and then you follow the same steps, put it in inches, put in the size you're looking for, and then crop it afterwards to the dimensions you want. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Then you just hit save and you're pretty much done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I got a super early morning. I just wanted to get on and set this up because I told him I was going to make this for him so that way he could set up his images so that he can print them out. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for checking it out. If you like the video, you know, hit it with a like, bless it with a like, drop a sub on the channel. You know, we do gaming here, art as well, and I'm working on my own NFT collection that will hopefully release sometime this century. But got a lot of plans in terms of that. That's a whole nother story. Literally, it literally is a whole nother story. But once I have more concrete things on that, I'll talk about it. But until next time, take it easy. Have a good night. Peace out.